Okay guys, so here is the walnut, date, and apple mixture. So what I'm gonna do is I've peeled, this is my second apple actually, but you just peel it. And then I'm just gonna put it right in little chunks here. Okay, you can also do this like in a Nutribullet. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put, I don't know, a small handful of walnuts in. Okay. Now I'm gonna pick 2 dates, pitted. Made that mistake once. Okay, and then some cinnamon. And just for the heck of it, I was just gonna put in like a little lemon. Can't go wrong with lemon. Oops, I have a little strainer. Wait 1 second. I don't know if you guys have this. It's really handy. So I just fresh lemon juice. Okay. I've also heard that not only the lemon juice, but the rind of the lemon is really incredibly good for you. I read this article on it one time. It's so funny because my mom used to eat that rind of oranges when I was growing up. Maybe she was ahead of her time. Who knew? Okay, there you go. Okay, so I've got the lemon juice, 2 small apples peeled and just cut up, 2 dates, and some walnuts and cinnamon. All right, so here we go. I'm just gonna... All right, good. Always unplug the Cuisinart before you take it apart, right? I know. Okay. And then this is what it looks like. I'll just get a little spoon here. This is what it looks like. Isn't that funny? And so it's almost, it looks like oatmeal when you put it in the bowl. Now, the reason why the lemon juice is good too, it's not only good for your digestive system, but it also breaks down the dates, right? Citrus and acidic things like break down, things like that, like when you have a marinade for chicken or pork, you always want to put like that's why they put a little bit of orange juice in it, or lemon. So here it is. There's your bowl of date, almond, and apple cinnamon kind of oatmeal. All right, and then you can definitely use maple syrup. All right, and I'm just gonna pour a little bit on the top. It's a lot. Now if you wanted to add the protein, you can definitely add the collagen powder into that. So I'll show you what that looks like just quickly. Okay. This is the collagen that I ordered on Amazon, and I just, if I don't feel like, okay, I have the breakfast, I have the lunch, and then I want to have a little something or a snack before I get to dinner, don't just, if you're going to have the snack and you put this in your tea with the snack, then you're getting the protein to continually fuel the fire throughout the day. All right, so that's the goal. All right, so I'm just going to pour, like if you wanted to pour a little bit of collagen in, you could sprinkle it on top. And then you stir it all up. This collagen has 0 taste. All right, it's good for your hair and your nails and your skin. All right, so there you have it. Bon appetit. So good. It tastes like apple pie. Have a great day.